Welcome to our video on derivatives trading and how a broker like Deriv Broker can help you navigate this complex financial market. Derivatives trading has become increasingly popular among investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and maximize their returns. However, it can be a daunting market for beginners to enter without the proper knowledge and guidance. In this video, we will explain the basics of derivatives trading, the role of a broker, and how Deriv Broker can assist you in making informed investment decisions. Derivatives are financial instruments that derive their value from an underlying asset, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities. Derivatives trading involves buying and selling contracts that represent the right to buy or sell the underlying asset at a specified price and time. This allows investors to profit from price movements in the underlying asset without actually owning it. While derivatives trading can be profitable, it can also be complex and risky. This is where a broker like Deriv Broker comes in. A broker acts as an intermediary between the trader and the market, providing access to a range of financial instruments and trading platforms. They also offer a range of services, such as market analysis, risk management tools, and customer support. One of the benefits of trading with Deriv Broker is their user-friendly platform. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners. It offers a range of features, such as customizable charts, technical indicators, and risk management tools, to help traders make informed investment decisions. The platform is also available on desktop and mobile devices, allowing traders to access their accounts and monitor their trades on the go. Another advantage of trading with Deriv Broker is their education and resources. They offer a range of educational materials, including articles, videos, and webinars, to help traders learn the basics of derivatives trading and improve their skills. They also provide market analysis and news updates to keep traders informed about market trends and events that may affect their trades. In addition to these services, Deriv Broker also offers a range of account types to suit the needs of different traders. They have a demo account for beginners to practice trading without risking real money, as well as standard and advanced accounts for more experienced traders. They also offer Islamic accounts for traders who follow Sharia law. Thank you for watching our video on derivatives trading with Deriv Broker. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about derivatives trading or opening an account with Deriv Broker, visit their website today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos on finance and investing.